Hi, I'm Dale, and my call sign is Ewok. I'm 13 years old and I'm the representative of my team on Kids Division. This is my first time playing Speed QB at sobrang na-enjoy ko po ang paglalaro dahil ibang-iba ito sa weekly game namin dito sa Bulacan. Thank you, Team White Fangs.